Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com again. This time I'm making this video recapping the whole week of trades, how I did using this system, Magic IB system, and my analysis. So let's get started. Starting from Monday, Euro Aussie 20-minute sell. I usually do a webinar on Saturday, covering and preparing my subscribers for the week, coming week. So I mentioned this, according to my analysis, that Euro USD will drop as soon as the market opens up, and that's what happened. And this is my entry here, and went all the way down, more than 100 pips on the 13th. You can see the dates here too. The entry was, this is the 10 here, and right, when the market opens up, that's what it is. Okay, so Euro USD, and let's see, on the 14th was a big day, a lot of trades, and that's where I made those 4 videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 of the settings. The setting up and then making an entry and all that. So this entry, in that video, in those the series of videos, the price was here when I first started the video. Then I said that this is setting up, and once I have the setup, then I'll open a trade. Okay, so when I had this drop, this reversal candle, and also this is a 40-minute chart, by the way. So I watch on a 20-minute chart, which gives me early entry. I make the entry from there. So this is one of them. All these the 14th day, this is the one. All these trades were taking, according to my analysis, and waiting for the setup. Not this one. I just did it. I didn't show this one, I guess. But Euro USD, no. This is I made the entry on my own. This is also on the 14th. Euro Aussie is the one that I showed. This one. If you watch those videos, you will see that the entry wasn't there. Just the blue candles going up into the wave, and I said this is what I'm waiting for. And once I have a setup, I'll open a trade. And it is 20-minute chart. So and this setup, I made an entry here, put a SL here. It went up a little bit again, but didn't hit my SL, and then start dropping. Okay, and it went down even further. So this is step by step I showed in that video. 4 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. How to wait for the setup. Then once you have the setup, you make an entry, and then it goes in your way, and how to manage it, which pair you can hold for how long, and then finally in part 4 I says that this is how you close the trades before it bounces. So this is the main one, and then the other one was pound yen as well. This is one on 14. Okay, I had pound Aussie as well, but I couldn't save I forgot to save the chart. So pound, Euro Aussie and pound Aussie both went down that day, and I had that there, but I couldn't save it. I forgot, actually. I just closed. All right, so on the 15th, Euro USD 20-minute, I just showed you in my previous that how USD was fluctuating, and then this drop has to start to the downside. So I says, okay, I'll take the trade, right? The long trade, long setup, and fine. And went up there, and then usually it retraces a little bit. So I'll show you that later on. This is pound USD as well. At the same time, when Euro USD, when the USD is dropping, getting weaker, all the USD pair goes up. Okay, I didn't bother Aussie USD, but it went up a lot, and very, very nice entries. But I was happy with Euro USD and pound USD, because pound USD ended up a long way. And the same day, or the next day, sorry. Actually, it is on the 15th as well, if you see down here. Why? Because Euro USD went long, and I had it this short. They go opposite direction. You know that. Okay. So this is USD franc on the 16th. And then USD weakness, obviously USD on the left-hand side, then USD yen is going to drop. So this is the USD yen dropping. And on the 17th, this is also another pound Aussie on the 16th. It's a short entry here, very nice entry, right? This was also the entry. It was I think it was I moved my SL and then it got knocked out, and then another. But see this. This is the one. It gave me the entry, and then again this one. I took this one. It went down somewhere here, and then it went up and knocked me out. Well, that's fine. Okay, made a few pips. But this is on the 16th, and the 17th, again, this is the one that I did the webinar a day before on the 16th, and I said, well, this is what's going to happen, and then Aussie dollar probably going to get strong, and then Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie will drop again. Then I tweeted on the Twitter about Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, and even send out the Aussie dollar chart that it is going up, Aussie will get strong, and send these two pairs to the downside. And that's what exactly happened. So I made my entry and went down. It went down even further. And the same time on 17, USD yen also gave me a very nice entry, and it dropped. Okay. And I think this is, yeah. So these are the trades I did this week. Yes, you will see, and if you put them together, all together, maybe 600-700 pips. But remember, my SL hit as well. See, like this one, for example. Maybe when it dropped a little bit, and if I don't move my SL, it didn't hit my SL, but some other pairs, with the first try, sometimes what happens is the SL comes and hit and take out my SL for 25 pip, and then I see another setup and then make an entry again, and then the second entry will go all the way. Okay, so maybe let's say, for example, even if I have 8. Let's say altogether these trades, put them together, maybe 600 pip between 12 and 13 trades, but maybe it's 6-7 times my SL hit for 25 pip each. That means maybe out of 600, maybe 150, 200 pip were the SL hit, right? But then again, I'm up 400, 500 pip. So I don't even bother showing my SL hitting and this and that, because as it is, they're showing this and doing all this, making charts and everything. It's a lot of work. And then make the video and do the webinars and all that. So I have to prepare myself. I cannot hire somebody to, go do the webinar for me. You can't. Webinar has to come out from my mind. So I'm tired of, it's a lot of work. So that's why. But yeah, overall, if you stick to the plan, if you stick to the IV system, then when you get an entry, you just take it. For example, you take an entry here, your SL never hit. Take an entry here, SL never hit. Take an entry here, SL never hit. Take an entry here, SL never hit. But if you go some other places, this one, SL never hit, right? This one, SL never hit, right? This one also, SL never hit. This one, there was no entry, Now, this one, I think I took this one and move a little bit, and then maybe 5-6 pip, it took me out. If that's what it is. Okay, this one, you see this arrow here? So yeah, I made an entry here, but the SL was hit because I moved the SL too much, and this thing hit it. And then again, like I said, it made the entry again. It gives you the entry again. Now this one, I got it, and then SL is here. When the price went up, I moved the SL. It took me out. It didn't. I'm just showing you that this is how the SL hit. And then what happened is that if it takes me out, but then there's an entry here. Not this one. This is not a proper entry. This one. And then you get another entry, and then you go with it. But here, I didn't move the SL, so, I'm still holding on with this entry. But that happens a lot of times. See, for example, this one, I still, I'm holding on this one, and then it went up. Usually, sometimes, if I had moved the SL to here, right, break even after going up here, it will take me out here. But I will get another entry here, right? That's how it is. So sometimes, yes, you get knocked out, but like here was an entry here, went down, I moved my SL hit, second entry, go by the wind. So this is how it goes. So most of the time, SL never get hit. But yeah, a few times, yeah, definitely. But the system is still, when you are right with these candles, some of these pairs, for example, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, they have big ranges. Pound Yen, big ranges, right? 150, 200 daily range, and you can easily come out with 100 pip if you have the right entry. Okay, so this is it for now, and this is a whole week of trading. Next week, again, I have the setups, I have the templates sent out to the subscribers, and if you want to be a part of it, just go in on my website and subscribe and get ready over the weekend and start trading from Monday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. One more thing, one last thing, that if you like it, please use the like button. Okay. Um, yeah, this is it for now. Okay. Thanks for watching. Where do I close that from? Let's see. First, I have